Skyblue Credit Repair is a company that has been helping customers repair and restore their credit since 1989. Based in Boca Raton, Florida, the company collaborates with credit bureaus to challenge items and dispute unchallenged ones. With skilled staff working with individual clients to review their credit reports and develop a plan to improve them. The company is known for its simplicity, offering a single service plan with all available features for a flat rate of $79 a month, plus a one-time setup fee of $79. A significant advantage of this company is its 99-day money-back guarantee, which allows customers to cancel their membership within the first 90 days of enrollment. Additionally, it is easy to cancel or pause membership, and the company offers customizable services. However, there are some drawbacks, including the lack of monthly credit monitoring and budgeting tools. The company's key features include unlimited credit disputes, where they analyze credit reports and send necessary letters, such as goodwill letters and debt validation letters, to credit bureaus and creditors on behalf of the customer. They also offer credit rebuilding services, providing professional advice on how to improve credit scores, such as increasing minimum payments or acquiring a secured credit card, and help customers develop a long-term strategy to rebuild their credit. This service is best suited for individuals with credit problems, those with low credit scores, and anyone requiring professional credit report analysis. While the lack of monthly credit monitoring is a notable disadvantage, the company's customer support services and single repair package plan make it a worthwhile investment, considering its pricing and quality of service. Overall, despite some limitations, the company's services are valuable for those seeking to repair and restore their credit.